Hi, so this is your HIIT athlete. It's a 30-minute workout of high interval training. We're going to start with the warm-up, so make sure your abs are braced, shoulders back and relaxed. 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of recovery for the warm-up, and some of the moves that we're going to use during the class. We're going to start with a nice light jog.
Get ready in 3, 2, 1,
let's go. Pick up the heels, abs braced. Good posture, and if you don't want to run, you can just stick it down to a march. What feels good, remember it's only 20 seconds, not too heavy yet, just warming up. Bring it back to resting. Okay, so that was your first move. Second move is going to be a skater. We're going to be moving side to side. Let's go. So your skater, you want to soften your knee as you land. Lateral movement, the knee in line with the toes. You don't want to jump, give you wide step touch. Keep going, a few more seconds. And rest. Alright, another lateral move. So with the feet shoulder width apart, we're going to jump squat, together apart, together apart. Let's go. Together and apart, together and apart. You can walk together and apart, sitting down into a squat. Use your arms to get momentum. Keep breathing.
Slow down to a rest.
Bring it back to resting. Okay guys, we're going to squat, crawl forwards.
Get ready in 3,
Squat, crawl back. Let's go. To the front to a plank, squeeze your butt. Walk it back, stand up, bend the knees, move forward to a plank, pull back to the squat, stand up. Maybe you have time for one more. Alright, stay here, bring the knees down. Hands shoulder width apart, 2 wide, 2 narrow push-ups. Let's go, 2 wide. In, 2 narrow push-ups. So the wide push-ups are going to warm up the shoulders. The narrow push-ups are going to warm up the triceps. Maintaining the tight ab brace to protect the lower back. Alright, we're resting. We're going to stay down. You pop yourselves up on your toes. Jump wide together. Let's go. Wide together, wide together. Now if you don't want to do the feet, you just do the arms, keeping the body still. If you don't want to do the arms, you can just do the feet. Otherwise the ultimate challenge is both. And rest. Good guys. Alright, jump yourselves up.
Get ready in 3, 2, 1.
Good guys, back stepping lunge. Good posture, shoulders above the hips. Deep knee bend. No jumps here. Maintain your posture and really use the depth of the legs to get the thighs warm.
Okay, bring back
Muscles
to
in the legs warm. Alright, you've got one more exercise. It's going to be a scissor, 4 to the right,
Get ready in
4
3,
to the left.
2,
Let's go. 4 to the right. And then 4 to the left. Good. Brace the belly. And if you don't want to jump, just back step. Keeping the body square.
slow down to a
Bring it
rest.
back to resting. That was your warm-up. Well done. Take a breath, grab yourself a drink, and come back for some more. Every minute on the minute. So you're going to do 5 different exercises, each exercise 1 minute long. And you're going to do 2 rounds with a 1 minute break in between. Your first exercise, you're going to start with the feet shoulder width apart. You're going to swing the arms, jump, land in a squat, 2 jacks to the back. Are you ready? Let's go. So swing, jump, 2 jacks back. You Use the arms to get momentum as you jump, and then land in a squat. So you want to land sitting the hips back, bringing the weight into the heels and feet, while keeping the chest up and the abs braced. So look from the side, swing, jump, 2 jabs back. If you want a little option, step forward, land in a squat, and march back. You decide. Even if you need a little rest time, just take the option just to rest for a bit. Keep going. And when you hit the countdown, you're going to come down to the floor. And we're going to do 2 wide, 2 narrow push-ups. Shoulders away from the ears. Let's go. So it's 2 wide, and then 2 narrow push-ups. Again, corkscrew the elbows back, and then keep the elbows tucked into the triceps. The wide press-ups work the shoulders, and then the narrow press-ups work the triceps, and the upper part, the back of the arms. You want to make it a little bit harder. Pop yourselves up onto your toes for the full push-ups, and then down on your knees, the half push-ups. Keep going. Do whatever feels good. Remember, this is the whole minute. So take a rest if you need to. Try to breathe out every time you press away. Stand up, and we're skating. Side to side with the skater. Big wide jumps. You want an option? Just step touch. You can just take a breather if you need to. Try to make sure the knees are moving in line with the toes. Big lateral jump. Keep the shoulders relaxed. More seconds. When you hear the countdown, we're going to come back down to the floor and we'll do 1 minute of plank. Keep going. You got this. A few more seconds.
4, 3, 2.
Alright, put yourselves down. Elbows under the shoulders. Press into the elbows, and then squeeze and engage the glutes. Push your belly. Keep breathing. Your option here is to pop your knees down. Take a little rest if you need to. Tuck the toes. Lift back up whenever you're ready. And try not to drop your head down and look towards your feet. Try to keep your head up. Keep the shoulders away from the ears. What you need to do is tighten through the ribs. Pull the hips up towards the ribs. Tight through the ab brace so that the work doesn't move into the back. So you don't want to be sticking your butt up. Tuck it in, squeeze. When you hear the countdown, you're going to jump up. 4 scissors to the right, 4 scissors to the left. Ready? Let's go. 4 scissors to the right, 4 scissors to the left. Move the arms like a runner. So you're moving your legs and your arms forwards and back, challenging yourself by moving sideways. Here you guys. Keep going. If you don't want to jump, just do a back tap. Keep the arms moving with you. Stay on the spot. Good. Keep going. You're nearly coming to the end of your first round. That's 5 minutes of work. I think you deserve a little break. Try to keep going.
Take a 60-second
Don't stop yet.
rest. In 4, 3, 2, 1.
Breathe. Alright, just walk around. recover. Take a 60-second break before we do it all again. Now you know the exercises now. So this time, you do them bigger and better. Options are still there if you need, but really think about how you're going to challenge yourself to make yourself stronger. Grab a drink if you need to at this point, refresh yourself, and be ready to go again.
Halfway there.
So remember the first exercise, you swing your arms, you jump, you land in a squat, 2 jacks to the back. Make sure you got some room in front. Are you ready? Deep breath.
Your training continues in 4.
Here we go.
2.
Swing the arms. 2 jacks back. So we're off again. You've had a little recovery time. And we've got 5 minutes to go. Remember, land with the feet wide. In and out, in and out. Option, remember, step forward, squat, march into the back. Even if you just need a few reps, just to recover.
Halfway there.
And then you can just carry on when you're ready. Try to land nice and light. You don't want to be landing heavy. Keep the weight in the heels. Now can you remember the second exercise? We're going to move into conditioning. It's going to be 2 wide, 2 narrow push-ups. So just wait for that countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, pop yourselves down. The elbows are in for the triceps. Out for the press up. And then hands in for the tricep. Check your posture. Shoulders away from the ears. Try to breathe out every time you push up. Remember, this is the whole minute.
Halfway there.
And you're halfway there already. You want a little more? We're going to do 2 full push-ups. 2 narrow. Got to do. Think about elbows in. Relax the shoulders. Keep the brace. All right. Pick yourselves up. We are skating. Squeeze the knees to land. Nice wide jump. Imagine that there's something on the floor and you're jumping over the top. Step touch is the option. If you need it.
Halfway there.
Stay with me. Doing really well, guys. Ooh, a minute's a long time, isn't it? Now remember, your next exercise, you've got 2 more to go. Your next exercise is going to be that plank.
4,
Keep moving.
2, 1.
Down on the floor. Elbows under the shoulders. Pick up the knees. Squeeze through the glutes. Brace the belly. 1 minute to plank. Breathe. Drop the knees anytime you need to. Head up, so don't drop down, don't look towards your feet, stay strong.
Halfway there.
That's 30 seconds. Can you do another 30 seconds? Make sure you're not starting to sag in the hips, right? Keep squeezing the belly, squeezing through the butt. Doing really well. Few more seconds. You do the countdown, you're going to jump up. Give me 4 scissors to the right, 4 scissors to the left. Let's go. 4 to the right, and 4 to the left. legs, guys. Pump the arms. Keep pressing the feet back. Look from the side. And maintain good posture. Let's keep scissoring.
Halfway there.
Halfway there. How are we feeling? Are you still breathing? Can you still speak to me? You want to be working hard, but you should still feel like you can hold a conversation. Keep going.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo.
You have reached the end of your workout. Well done.
Well done. So this is our pyramid. We're going to work for 50 seconds, 40, 30, 20, 10. 30-second rest before we repeat everything in reverse. So your first exercise,
10 seconds to
this
go.
is going to be a lunge,
Get
double pulse.
ready.
You're going to step back,
Exercise 1 begins
double
in
pulse,
4,
and jump. Are you ready? Let's go. So use the arms to help you shoot up and bend your back knee. Chest up, shoulders above the hips. 90-degree angle on the legs. If you want an option, it's just a back stepping lunge with the back heel up and a deep knee bend. This is 50 seconds.
halfway there.
You're halfway there. Anytime you want to take the option, take it. Keep breathing.
10 seconds
10 seconds to go.
Get ready. Exercise
Get ready to move on to your 40 seconds of work.
3, 2,
Speed run. In and out as fast as you can. On the spot. Try to keep the body grounded, still, and move the feet in and out fast. Keep breathing. Keep your
halfway
body
there.
still. Just move the feet. 40 seconds.
10 seconds
so
to go.
Keep moving.
Get
Your next
ready.
exercise is a basketball shoot.
Exercise 3.
Step to the side and
in
jump.
4,
Step to the side and jump.
2,
Let's go. Basketball shoot. Jump the feet together. Shoot the basketball. Option, step to the side and lift the heels.
halfway there.
Halfway there.
10 seconds to go. Get ready.
Get ready to come down to the floor.
Exercise 4. In 4.
Mountain climber.
2,
Hands above the shoulders. On the legs. Right, we're on 20 seconds of work. Drive the knees forwards. Try not to lift the hips too high. Shoulders above
10
the
seconds to go.
hands. You
Get
can walk
ready.
if you want.
Exercise 5.
Get ready to jump up.
3,
Give me 12 star jumps. Let's go.
Take a 30-second
Keep going.
rest. In
4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Woo. Breathe. Recover. Sometimes you need to take a moment,
Halfway
catch your breath,
there.
grab a drink. You're going to do everything again in reverse. You've got 30 seconds
10
to recover.
seconds to go.
We're going to start with the star jumps.
Get
Feet
ready.
together. Get ready to give me
Exercise
12 big
5.
ones.
In 4,
3, 2,
1.
let's go. 11, 10. Bend the knees to land. Option is here.
Exercise 4.
Or
In 4,
side jump.
3, 2,
Right down on the floor. Mountain climb. Right, knees forwards. Keep the shoulders
10 seconds to go.
relaxed.
Get ready.
Get ready to jump up for your
Exercise
basketball
3.
shoot.
In 4, 3,
Jump up,
2,
jump to the
1.
side, and shoot. Remember, you can step, lift the heels, fast as you can. Are you breathing? Stay strong, stay grounded, and try to keep moving fast. Doing well. You've got your last exercise coming. It's going to be the double pulse lunge. 2 more seconds. Stay with me.
10 seconds to go.
10 seconds.
Get ready.
Get ready.
Exercise 1 in 4, 3,
Take a big step back
2,
and lunge. Shake your legs. Big reach up. Deep knee bend. Option. Step back. Step forwards. Try to stay with the double pulse. Try to stay with the rhythm.
halfway there.
25 seconds to go. You got this. Keep reaching high. Try to maintain the depth.
10 seconds to go.
The knee out in line with the toes. Few more seconds.
4, 3, 2, 1. Your workout is complete. Well done.
Catch your breath. Okay, so this is your last final track. It's one of the longest, but it's one of the nicest. You're going to do 20 seconds of work with 20 seconds of rest with 6 different exercises, which we are going to repeat the full set 3 times. So your first exercise, this is going to be like we did in the warm-up. A jump squat, side to side. Nice and wide, nice high jumps, focusing on width and depth in the squat. Are you ready? Brace the core.
Training starts.
Get ready to squat jump.
4, 3, 2,
Let's go. So it's not a fast move. You're focusing on getting nice and wide as you jump side to side. Sitting the butt back, keeping the chest up.
Get
Depth in
ready.
the squat.
In 4, 3, 2,
And rest.
rest.
Okay, so I'll show you this side on. You're going to squat, crawl forwards to a plank, jump the feet in, and turn 180, and then repeat the other way. So feet apart, abs braced. Get ready to squat, pull the hands forwards. Let's go. Walk forwards, jump, and turn. And then the next time, try jumping the other way so you don't get dizzy. Jump, crawl forwards, brace the core, and then just crawl back, stand up. Whatever feels good for you. Okay. So, side on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Get ready.
Get ready.
In 4,
Brace.
3,
Chest up. Off we go. 3, 4. Fast lateral run, and then bend the knee and push yourself back in the opposite direction. Use the arms. Pump it, pump it, pump it.
get ready.
Remember, it's only 20 seconds.
1,
Rest. Okay. All right, so choose a leg. You're going to sit down and grab just below the knee, or if you want a little less, just above the knee. And then push and pull.
Get
Don't
ready.
rest. Keep the hands light.
In 4,
Sit the hips back. Brace the core. Off we go. Now you should feel like you could do this and let go. Maintain good posture. So we don't want to be sticking the butt up. We want to try to keep the hips down.
get
And you
ready.
can even take the arms away from the leg. Just run. Remember which leg you did, because you're going to do the other leg in a minute. But first, pop yourselves down. The hands are shoulder width apart, and you're up on your toes. You remember this move? We jump the feet wide and together.
Get ready.
We're going to do it faster. Ready, set, Go. So basically when the feet are wide, that's when you've only got one hand on the floor. When the feet are together, you should have two hands on the floor. Option, just the hands.
Get ready.
Or just the feet.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
Jump up. Remember which leg you did? You're going to do the other side. This is your last exercise of 6. You've got to sit the hips down and hold just below the knee. Or not so flexible in the hamstrings, come a bit higher. Really light. Stable in the lower body. And tap back. So here I'm above the knee. We can just take the arms away. Do a back tap. Come below the knee. Focus on depth in the hips. Chest up. The knees stable. 3, 2, 1.
Rest.
Rest. Woo. Okay, that's the first set done. We're going to do everything twice more through. So we're going back to the top. Remember?
Get ready.
It's a lateral jump squat. Ready, set, go. Sit the hips back and down. Swing the arms. Raise the core together apart. You can step together, step apart. If you want an option.
Rest.
Okay guys, so whichever way you want to face, we're going to come down into a squat, call the hands forwards, jump the feet in, and do a 180 turn.
Get ready.
Brace,
4, 3,
ready, set,
1.
go. Hit, jump, turn. Jump, turn. Try to go one way, and then the other way.
Get ready. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest.
Okay. Lateral run. 4 to the side, and then push yourself back in the opposite direction.
Get ready. Your training continues. In 4, 3, 2, 1.
Push yourself back in the opposite direction. Bend your knee. Press. Up the arms. Agility training. Be ready to move fast and change directions quick. Rest. Okay. So again, from the beginning of the first leg, above or below the knee. Tap back. Yeah? Above or below.
Get
Raise
ready.
the core.
In 4,
Sit the hips down and off you go. Try not to do this. Try not to hunch the shoulders. Maintain a good posture, and the only part that's moving is your leg. If it's not comfortable, come higher.
Get ready. In 4, 3,
Take out the arms.
1.
Rest. Jump jacks on the hands. Down onto the floor. Start with the feet together. And remember, wide hand to shoulder.
Get
Hands
ready.
down, jump the feet in.
In 4, 3,
2, 1. Ultimate challenge. Working upper, lower together. Squeezing the butt. Bracing the belly.
Get ready. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest.
Jump up. Okay. Remember which leg you did last time. You can do the other side. So take that 20 seconds and embrace it.
Get
So you're ready to work hard.
In 4,
Get down.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go. Sit still. Chest up. Sit the hips down. Push back. Stable in the lower body. Strong in the upper body.
4, 3, 2, 1. Rest.
Oh my gosh. I know what you're saying. You're not ready to give up yet. I feel like you need to do it once more, right? Just to be sure. Do you remember the first move? It was your lateral jump squat.
4, 3, 2.
Show me what you got. You can feel the music is not fast. You're looking to get wide, deep, high. So you can slow down, focus on the quality of the move.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
Okay. Now walk the hands forwards. Find your plank. Jump the feet into meet. Do a full 180 jump turn.
Get ready.
This is my second favorite move, by the way.
In 4, 3, 2.
Off we go. Jump turn. Find the plank, find the squat. If you get dizzy, turn the other way.
Get ready. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest.
Okay. Lateral run. Walk about if you need to. Shake it off. Breathe. 20 seconds is there for you to recover.
Get
Need a drink,
ready.
grab it.
In 4,
Ready?
3,
Set.
2.
Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Use your arms. Quick, quick, quick and press. Quick, quick, quick and press.
Get ready. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest.
Whew. Okay. You're doing so well. You've only got 3 more exercises to go. And you're done. So which leg did you start with? Did you go above?
Get ready.
You want to try below?
In 4, 3,
Ready? Set.
1.
Go. Tap it back. Stable with the knee. Remember, if you don't feel comfortable, if it's not good for you, come higher.
Get ready.
Keep the hips low and the chest up.
In 4,
3, 2, 1.
Rest.
Jump jacks. You can even do these on the feet if you don't want to do them down on the floor.
Get
Practice
ready.
makes perfect. You can do just the arms or just the legs.
4, 3,
Ready, set, go. Squeeze your butt. Just the arms. Just the legs. It's only 20 seconds.
Get ready. In 4,
3, 2, 1.
Rest.
That's my third favorite exercise. Right, listen. We're on the last one. Your last 20 seconds to make it count. On the other leg.
Get ready.
Sit down. Get ready.
4, 3,
Finish this.
1.
20 seconds. Oh my gosh. Your butt and your thighs should be screaming just a little.
Get ready.
Strong.
In 4,
3, 2, 1.
Rest.
You did it. Only 15 minutes of work. All in one track. 3 rounds completed.
Your training is now complete.
Well done. So let's take a stretch. Find your balance. Take hold of your right leg. Squeeze your butt. Tuck your tail under. Stretch out through the quad. Change sides when you're ready. Big muscle group the quads, so you want to stretch them out well. You've worked them really hard. Now keep your knees together. Press into the shoelaces. Alright, so you're going to sit the hips back, take the hands to the bent leg and lift your tail up. And stretch out through the hamstring. Back of the legs. Change sides when you're ready. These muscles get quite tight. You want to stretch them. Really good stretch whenever you can. Alright, let's stretch the glutes. Take one leg across and sit your hips back and down. And change sides when you're ready. Press the knee down. And you flex through the foot. It's going to keep the legs nice and stable as you sit into this stretch. Now stretch the shoulders. Just hug into your chest. And then change sides. Take the hands forwards. Pull the shoulder blades apart. Drop your head forwards and stretch across your upper back. And then open up your arms nice and wide for a big chest stretch. You did amazing, guys. Awesome work. Well done.